Hello dear fans. What is lanolin? Properties of lanolin. Lanolin is a wax found in many cosmetics and medicines. The highest quality lanolin is produced in South America and New Zealand using centrifugal separators. Origin and composition of lanolin. Lanolin is a wax that is of animal origin. It is extracted from the fat of sheep's wool by subjecting it to a special treatment using aggressive alkali or other substances. Unrefined lanolin has a high density and a pungent odor. This product was used by the ancient Greeks and Romans. But it contained dirt, harmful impurities, and had little in common with modern wax, which can be purchased in pharmacies or specialty stores. There are 3 ways to get lanolin. Acid, extraction, lime. This separation is based on the use of certain reagents for extraction. But the production scheme is the same in all cases. Sheep wool is boiled down and then driven through separators, treated with chemicals. Crude lanolin is subjected to cleaning, bleaching, disinfection. The finished product can be used in many areas of life. In medicine, it began to be used in 1882. Back in the 19th century, scientists discovered that lanolin ointments work faster than petroleum jelly or paraffin-based products. Several varieties of lanolin are available from modern manufacturers. Its cost depends on the production technology, the degree of processing. The most expensive is pharmaceutical lanolin. The wax can be light yellow to dark brown. Its smell cannot be called pleasant. It is specific. The melting point of lanolin is 36 to 42 degrees Celsius. The following varieties of lanolin are distinguished. Anhydrous does not contain water, but has a more complex composition, hydrated, acetylated, obtained by anhydride treatment, hydrogenated, oxyethylated. In cosmetology and medicine, anhydrous lanolin is most often used. It contains fewer impurities, does not contain water and has a denser consistency. In the 60s of the last century, the dangers of lanolin were announced. But the studies carried out did not confirm this information. Lanolin may contain harmful impurities if certain substances are used to treat cow hair. But at present, such potent substances are not used. The product differs from other animal waxes by its high content of sterols, including cholesterol. Lanolin also contains ergosterol, has antifungal properties, stearic acid, palmitic acid, have binding properties, give the wax density, acids montanic, serotinic, impart viscous properties to the product, cetyl, cerol, carnauba alcohols, have a beneficial effect on the skin, have antiseptic properties. Lanolin is 96% neutral esters, 3% free fatty alcohols, 1% free fatty acids, hydrocarbons. The composition of lanolin depends on the breed of sheep, the properties of natural raw materials, and the method of wax production. Good fat should contain at least 50% of the unsaponifiable fraction, and the cholesterol content in it should not be lower than 30%. Lanolin properties. The properties of lanolin are compared by physical experts to the properties of human sebum. The substance has excellent emulsifying properties. Lanolin holds twice its own weight in water. Wax mixes well with alcohols and is an excellent emulsifier. The benefits of lanolin. Lanolin is very useful for human skin and is part of effective creams and ointments. Emulsions. Creams with the addition of lanolin have the following properties. Moisturize the epidermis and deeper layers of the skin, restore damaged hair, nails, soften the skin, eliminate wrinkles, eliminate traces of acne. When lanolin is distributed over the surface of the skin, it forms a protective film on it, due to which moisture does not evaporate, the deep layers of the dermis remain moisturized. Wax makes the skin less permeable for moisture to evaporate from its deeper layers. It also slightly promotes the absorption of water molecules from the environment, therefore, creams with lanolin are recommended to be used in rooms with high humidity. Lanolin penetrates very easily into the skin and provides the delivery of other nutrients, moisturizers. Natural fat of animal origin increases the viscosity of cosmetic creams and improves their texture. Lanolin use. Lanolin is widely used in cosmetology. This substance is found in creams for dry, irritated, and mature skin. It is on the list of ingredients in expensive lifting products. Lanolin smooths the skin, visually evens out its relief. Natural fat is added to hair care products. Hair after such care becomes soft, manageable, and shiny, but this addition makes them slightly heavier. Refined lanolin can be purchased over the counter and used to make cosmetics at home. It is added to ready-made cosmetic creams of industrial production for use in the winter season, when the skin is chapped and needs more careful care. Lanolin is used in hygienic and decorative lipsticks to improve adhesion to the skin. Decorative cosmetics containing lanolin are characterized by increased durability. Refined lanolin and special creams based on it are used for breast care during lactation. Animal fat does not cause allergies and effectively removes cracked nipples. It is safe even for babies. In medicine, lanolin is used as a basis for the creation of wound-healing ointments, medicinal patches. The substance is added to hydrophilic ointments. Fat of animal origin is actively used in other areas of industry. It is added to some lubricants and products designed to protect shoes, clothing, fabrics from dirt and water. The substance is added as a superfatting additive to soap and other household chemicals. It softens the aggressive action of some chemical components. Contraindications for use. Lanolin is recommended to be used with caution as a cosmetic product with high skin sensitivity and a tendency to allergic reactions. Despite the fact that the product in the overwhelming majority of cases does not cause allergies, sometimes one has to deal with individual intolerance. If there is any doubt about how suitable a given substance will be, you can apply a small amount to the back of your elbow and evaluate the result after 10 minutes. In the absence of redness on the skin, you can safely use the substance in pure form or as part of a cream. Lanolin is a gummy product. It tends to clog pores, thereby provoking the appearance of blackheads. If the skin of the face is oily, problematic, it is better to refuse cosmetic preparations with the addition of lanolin. Cosmetologists do not advise to get carried away with creams with animal fat, since their frequent use not only clogs the pores, but also disrupts skin respiration. For this reason, the complexion may become dull. Lanolin is for external use only. Consuming it internally can cause side effects and even poisoning. Thanks for watching.